a quick one. How do we install Apple CarPlay in Mercedes GLC? This one is my favorite car, so it should be quick. As this camera records only 20 minutes, hopefully I can make it in 20 minutes. I never done it that quick, but we see. I might need to pause a bit. The best I did 45. Anyway, let's do the Mercedes GLC CarPlay installation. First, we take this trim out. You just pull the sides, pack, and then you need to press the button, release the two catches. This car have a connector here for the sunroof. Yours might not have it. I already removed mine. Then take your T20. You got two screws here. Quickly. Two screws. Another one. Yeah, this will be the kit. The box will fit in the middle. I will show you. I always use a towel to not scratch the corners of the armrest. Give it a pull. Back, it's out. You have one connector. I'm not sure if you will see. Two. One more here and one more here. If you have a watch, you will have one in the middle. All cars, depending on the options, they have different connectors. So you just need to watch a bit, but I can do mine without watching. And then you have the cigarette lighter, which is a bit tight, but I already learned how to do mine. Fuck, now the center console is out. Easy. So yeah, cigarette lighter, two, and them two. Some cars, they might have an extra one here for the ambient lights and some other stuff. Now, two more T20s. These ones, you don't need to remove them completely because they stay there. Pull this out, the two latches. Punk, if you want, put the towel. From here, we remove the quad lock connector and the blue one, which is the video. Fuck. Now, this is the box. In the package, we have a Velcro, Wi-Fi antenna, which will need it. Fuck. And the main power harness and the video cable. One end goes to the blue one, which we just removed. The other end goes into the head unit. Nicely. This one, we want to run it down because our box will be exactly here. See? Now, this one have fiber optic. As you can see, these two in the corner are the fiber optics. To remove it, you can use a flat screwdriver, anything. And you will need to reposition this fiber optic in the new harness. I was just looking if I can rerun those wires somehow. I have OCD with the wires. Sometimes I just staring at them. Find the way, the best way to run them, even if they're still good how they are. These ones we're not gonna need them. If you want to retrofit a reverse camera, you will need them, but in this case, we're not gonna need them. Let's tape them. This end will go to the box. So same down. One. This end will connect to this end, the quad lock, male, female. This one will go down, but you need to get the fiber optic. Where is the fiber optic? It's here. The fiber optic is here. Nicely. You need to position the fiber optic exactly in the same place where it was, and make sure you have, not sure if you will see with this camera, a little pin. It's down, and the pin needs to be down, because I found cases where people fit them the other way around, and you have click, fuck. If you fit them the other way around, the sound won't work. Plug it back. Make sure everything is connected proper. Yes. And now this goes down, and your unit goes back. GLC is lovely because it's got a lot of room, and you end up with the video cable downstairs, down, and the power cable. Now you get the box and you check settings. GLC, bang, in my case, deep 3 low, it's low, all good. Connect the power cable, connect the video cable. Wi-Fi antenna. The Wi-Fi antenna needs to be sticked on a plastic, not metal. Then you push these cables back, and you will see that basically I couldn't finish because the camera overheat. I hidden the device exactly there where I showed you before. Now we fitted everything back. Start button, long press, switches between original menu and CarPlay. To pair to the Android Auto or CarPlay, you just go to the Bluetooth and choose Smart Tuning Box. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth switched on, and then voila. Thank you for watching. See you next time.